Hello and welcome to our channel. My name is Caitlin, and in this video I will show you how to pipe buttercream flowers directly on cupcakes. Use these techniques to create a floral bouquet or accents on your cakes and cookies. Buttercream flowers can be piped directly on your cake or cupcakes, or pipe them on parchment, freeze, then add to your treats. Let us know in the comments which method you prefer. Continue watching this video to learn more about piping buttercream flowers. Let's get started. Start by coloring your buttercream with your desired colors. I used red and blue gel colors for my buttercream. When bagging your frosting, add a coupler at the end of the bag, then the frosting. Attach your desired piping tips to the couplers and be sure to have extras ready to go. Starting with leaf tip number 352 and white buttercream, pipe individual petals in a circle to form a sunflower. Pipe a second ring of petals just inside the first. Then, using tip number 104, pipe a petal using an arc motion, making sure your tip is parallel to the cupcake. Continue piping petals until you have closed the circle. Use tip number 27 to pipe a few small rosettes. Start by applying pressure in one area, then circle around and release pressure. Add some dots to the center of the daisy and sunflower with round tip number 2, and finish the cupcake by adding leaves with tip number 352. This is where your extra tips are useful. I used a leaf tip and a small round tip with the white buttercream to create individual petals and details to the center of the daisies. When piping the daisies, be sure the skinny end of the tip is facing outwards. If you hold the tip parallel to the cupcake, then your flower will be flat on the surface. If you hold your tip at an angle, the flower will look more dimensional. The next flower I will show you how to pipe is a chrysanthemum with tip number 81. Pipe a small mound of frosting on the cupcake, then start at the bottom and pipe short petals all around the mound. Then repeat these steps above the first row of petals. Continue piping petals until you have reached the top, making sure that the entire mound is covered. Fill in the remaining space of the cupcake with daisies, rosettes, and leaves. Don't forget to add small dots to the center of your daisies and sunflowers. When adding flowers to your cupcakes, be sure to overlap them so you cannot see the cupcake through any gaps. You can also smooth a layer of buttercream on the cupcake first to help your flowers adhere to the surface, and be sure that if there are any gaps, you will see the frosting instead of the cupcake. When adding leaves to your cupcakes, you can pipe them in one fluid motion like I did for the sunflower, or you can gently move the tip back and forth as you are piping to create ripples and more dimension in your leaves. Use a mixture of these leaf types to add variety to your cupcakes. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing and turning on the notifications. Your support will help us grow our channel and create more videos. Let us know in the comments what videos you would like to see in the future. And if you'd like to see more videos like this one, check out the Decorated Cupcakes playlist on our channel. Stay updated on our newest products and our upcoming video projects by following us on Facebook and Instagram. Our social media links can be found in the description box below. We love to see the treats you create and how you use products from our store, so be sure to tag us in your posts. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.